right, join us as we traverse through time and space.
At Bound by Fate.
On another episode of whatever this is.
Alright, I'm going to do a little flying. We'll see if this works. It's windy. Take off anyway.
Home point updated.
Home point is updated. Alright. I'm going to do a little flyover. Just going to get up a little bit. There we go. Alright, hold on. I turn the camera on. I always forget. There we go. Trying to keep it low. It's a little windy. There's a little rain. Let's see how far it lets me go.
Max flight distance reached.
All right, that's my max flight distance. I'm going to turn around. Turn to this side. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to try to do a high one with a little spin. See where we go with that. Ooh, I like that. It's going to be a good one. Oh. All right. I'm going to bring it up. It's pretty high.
Max altitude reached.
All right, do a little spin here. Okay. I'm starting to get a little bit better at this. I'm going to take a nice little low pass here. Try not to hit anything. I'm still having trouble. Oh, Jesus. Let me back that up. All right. That's what we want. That's what we want. Let's go forward. I'm going to do a back up. There we go. All right. Let's see how far I can go. There we go. About it.
Max flight distance reached.
All right, so I'm going to back up slowly. Oop, nope, I don't want to lower it too much. There we go. So I'm going to back it up slow. Try not to hit any trees. That's not too slow. There we go. Well. All right. Let's see here. There we go. Me with my little robot. Alright, I'm going to try to land this thing. I don't think you can see it. Hold on. Can you see it? Alright. I'm going to try to land this old boy. Let's see it better now. Let me put it out farther. All right. Let's see if it'll land. Here we go.
Landing.
Here we go.
Remember, don't knock anything over.
Ooh, and replace your divots.
Yikes.